Hello viewers, hope you all are good. In today's video, I'm going to discuss and explain that how should you handle and file a response to a CRA inquiry. Most of us know that when we file our tax returns, whether a T1, T2 or GST HST return, at times we receive an inquiry letter from the CRA to explain some numbers that we have incorporated in our tax returns. In this context, we need to remember the following points. 1. Under the Canadian tax laws and conventions, every taxpayer must keep and maintain his or her tax-related documents for at least 6 years from the end of the last tax year they relate to. 2. The CRA may open any tax return for detailed scrutiny, either randomly or if there are reasonable suspicious circumstances that may warrant it. 3. The CRA expects that all inquiries must be addressed within a reasonable time or within the limitation period as specified under the tax laws. 4. The fastest way to respond to a CRA inquiry letter is to file the response through your CRA Online Account through your authorized representative. 5. To ensure that your response is adequate and within the parameters of law, guidance and help of a professional tax accountant or a lawyer may be essential. Format of a reply. When you receive an inquiry letter from the CRA, the best way is to consult your tax accountant to handle this sensitive matter. Still, you may remain involved in the process through following steps. 1. Read the CRA inquiry letter carefully and critically to understand the specific requirements of the CRA. If you don't comprehend the contents of the inquiry letter, there is every possibility that your reply will be either inconsistent or incomplete. Your tax accountant may be quite helpful in such a situation. 2. Do some calculations to make sure that the reported figures in your tax return were true. Alternatively, your tax accountant may do it on your behalf. 3. Gather the documents and the required evidence to support your claim and send these documents to your authorized representative. 4. The authorized representative must prepare a cover letter to explain in a summarized manner that why do you think that your claim is correct and what supporting evidence you have attached with your reply. Your cover letter must mention the CRA case number and it must be addressed to the right person and signed by you. The letter must be written in an unbiased and impartial manner. 5. Organize your cover letter and supporting documents as a PDF binder for placing everything in a sequential manner in one document. The next step is how to file your reply. Since now everything is ready, there is no point in wasting time. Log into your CRA account or hand over the documents to your authorized representative to file your case through the CRA Online Account service. The benefit of online filing of your case is that once you submit your documents, you get an instant reference number that documents have been received by the CRA. Download this message and its reference number as a PDF for your record. This will help you to track your case and its status through your CRA Online Account. If you receive a further notice from the CRA to explain or provide additional evidence, follow the same steps as mentioned earlier and submit your reply within the stipulated time frame. Once you receive a decision from the CRA, you have two choices, either to accept the decision or contest it through a formal review and appeal procedure. These rights are conferred upon every taxpayer under the provisions of Taxpayer Bill of Rights in Canada. Now, rights to a formal review and subsequent appeal. This right means that you are entitled to a formal review of your file if you believe you have not received your full entitlements under the law or if you have not been able to reach an agreement with the CRA on a tax or penalty matter. Disagreements can be caused by a lack of information or by simple miscommunication. Before you send an objection or appeal a CRA decision, contact the CRA to obtain an explanation of your notice. Also, if you have a new or additional information, you can request an adjustment. However, talking to the CRA will not delay the deadline for sending an objection or an appeal. So you must act within the limitation period in each case. I hope you enjoyed the contents of today's video. For future updates, please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching.